Yes, ready. It was a sensitive area, and as I understand today, the Delhi police is equipped with sensitive wireless sets all around and walkie-talkies and wireless sets are carried by these policemen and constables everywhere. Stop. Immediately as the crime was committed, why is it that this message was not flashed on all roads where these people do the patrolling, and if this message was flashed, I cannot understand how many escape routes from that particular area are there. Stop. I want to know from the Honorable Home Minister how many escape routes are there and how much time would have been needed before this message could have been flashed and the intruder could have been intercepted. Stop. Or is it the case of the Home Minister that these people probably disappeared in some of the neighboring houses or neighboring areas, sought protection is some of the residential houses, and that some people of the area are probably involved in it? Sign of interrogation. Or is it a fact that these people have nothing to do with this particular area and took shelter or took refuge elsewhere? Sign of interrogation. They have no idea whatsoever. I cannot understand it. Stop. After all, our police personnel are equipped with walkie-talkie sets. What are these sets meant for if the message cannot be flashed and if the culprits cannot be intercepted immediately? Stop. Para. Madam, this is the policy of non-alignment of peace, not passive peace, but peace which is fortified with self-preparedness, peace which does not bow to anything, but peace which stands for certain principles and objectives. Stop. The objective is very clear and categorical here, and it is a better future and a better tomorrow for us now and for our children tomorrow. Stop. Is it possible to have that peace now with the pendulum of a nuclear war hanging over us? Is it the question who will be the victor and who will be vanquished? Will there not be total annihilation when the war rages around us and when the people realize the devastation it is bound to create? There will be no spectators to watch, and still this war enlarges its sphere, its range, and its ferocity. Stop. Para. It is now proposed to convert it into a star war. India, throughout its history since independence, has been pursuing a policy of peace. Stop. We find that our Prime Minister in his very initial speech had said that we have to have peace inside the country, peace around the area, peace in the world, and also peace in the outer space, which is not free from war, danger. Stop. An attempt has been made recently in this direction of creating better relations with the neighboring countries. Stop. I am glad that our foreign minister is present here. Stop. Immediately he rushed to remove the tension between Iraq and Iran. Stop. These are not easily soluble matters. Stop. They take time, they take persistence. Above all, they need a sense of purpose. India has not been lacking either in its resolution or the will or the desire or the determination to go ahead with this effort for peace. Stop. We find that our attempt has been to create a deeper understanding, a closer understanding, an understanding which penetrates sometimes deeper than the government treaties and pacts. Stop. We find that our country is encircled from all sides. Stop. As many honorable members have spoken before, Pakistan gets funds. Stop. It gets arms and ammunition. Stop. It gets military intelligence. Stop. It is offering military bases. Stop. It is even making the atom bomb. Stop. And above all, it is getting the carriers which will carry these nuclear weapons. Stop. So it is getting armaments more than it has ever acquired in the name of helping the Afghan people. Stop. But it goes through Pakistan. Stop. How much is sent there? Sign of interrogation. Stop.